In 1979 in Alaska, a pilot calls his base to inform them he saw something strange in the sky, and the technicians discover their sensors going crazy. Meanwhile in the forest, two lumberjacks are done working and ready to go home. As they drive away, suddenly one of the trucks floats up for a few seconds only to then drop to the ground, crashing in the process. The other lumberjack tries to check on his friend, but at that moment he's shocked to see an alien spaceship appearing above him. He immediately runs into the forest to try to escape, but soon the aliens catch up to him and beam him up to kidnap him. On present day in California, computer engineer Isaac arrives at the offices of NASA where he works. His co-worker Beck informs him that they're getting a signal from Canada, which is strange because there's no grounded satellite in that area. Later, while Isaac is at the computer, he receives a signal from an unknown origin and wonders if it's a glitch. The next day Isaac goes to his appointment with his psychotherapist, who asks him to start recording video diaries to help with the process of self-healing. Isaac feels rather awkward on camera but does his best to record whatever comes to mind. One afternoon, everyone in California stares in surprise as a burning meteorite enters Earth's atmosphere. Isaac is hiking in the mountains with his camera when it happens, so he sneaks around to avoid the incoming law enforcement and finds the perfect spot to record. To his shock, he discovers that the meteorite is actually an actual alien spaceship that landed on the mountains. Suddenly the ship disappears from sight, only for an alien to then appear behind Isaac. When he turns around, he can't believe what he sees, yet he still keeps recording. The alien walks away and Isaac tries to follow it, but after a few steps he falls unconscious. Soon every media outlet is discussing the meteorite and random theories about it. Isaac's work team is supposed to collect samples, but he doesn't show up to work. Sometime later, Isaac wakes up on a cliff, confused about what happened. He checks his camera and sees the recording of the alien, making him realize he may have been abducted. There's also some pain on his arm, but it doesn't look hurt. Isaac makes his way back to his apartment, but things keep getting more confusing. When he stares too long at an object, it suddenly disappears only to come back in a few seconds. At first he thinks it was a trick of his brain, but it keeps happening.